Hi again, Bob Wenslow, co-founder of Crystal Pharmatech. I'm here to announce we are launching a live hands-on training version of Crystal Classroom at our Cranbury, New Jersey facility. This is being offered through a close partnership with our good friends at SCX CMC Solutions. Attendees will experience hands-on training with instrumentation used in API form selection. Spend a day in the labs, learning the ins and outs of pharmaceutical physical characterization. Our experts will help you analyze a compound that's safe and non-confidential, of course, using a variety of common equipment. This includes X-ray powder diffraction, polarized light microscopy, DSC, TGA, dynamic vapor absorption, and everyone's favorite particle size analysis. You will actually learn at this training. You will run experiments. I cordially invite you to join us for the first ever hands-on Crystal Classroom training on January 15th, 2026 in our Cranbury, New Jersey facility. Check the registration link for more information and tell your friends. See you at Crystal Classroom training.